Hey everybody, we are back in the woods in Concord, New Hampshire. Going to be doing some metal detecting. Now I've been in these woods before with my family. Today I'm going to be doing some metal detecting because right now the water is really high and doing magnet fishing is kind of almost impossible right now. So here we go.
Little guy, come here. Hi, the salamander. I found a salamander. Look at this little guy. Why would I eat an adorable salamander? You're so cute. Look at you. You're so cute. They're gonna hurt you. What is this? It's heavy. Dad! I found one of the things you found!
Like the mango spike. Yeah.
I don't see a bottle. I see a bottle. I don't know if you can see that. That's a bottle right there. Be careful, it could be broken. Yeah, look at that old bottle. And it looks like it says something. Oh, there's all the cans we found. It's still here. Interesting. I don't know. That's pretty cool. I don't know what it is. Pretty cool. I don't know. Pretty big and heavy. Yeah. That looks like what looks like it'll be an old teapot. Has a handle. Are you fucking kidding me? I keep forgetting to hit the record button. Found a 1950's beer can. Oh. It kind of does look like a porta potty.
I've been finding a lot of the heavy metal stuff.
Yeah.
And then we'll go pee-pee.
Catalina found a porta potty thing. Look at it. 1950's porta potty.
What the hell is this? Hey, is this like a toy car? Oh my god, baby! I found the toy car! Without wheels. It's like a metal car. Like you can see it.
Wow, that, damn. That is,
Look it over here, let's see.
oh, that is really cool.
That is so cool.
What is that?
It's like an old car.
Yeah, yeah. Wow. That is really cool.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to clean that out.
Yeah.
It says something. But wow. That is old.
Yeah.
That's heavy too. That is really old.
It was like very deep too. So nobody wanted to find someone to find it apparently.
That is really cool.